This amazing house in Kansas has a beautiful curb appeal, inviting and standing out from the neighborhood. This beautiful house is constructed using shipping containers, saddling a big open space in between to create an amazing 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house with over 1,120 square feet of habitable space. From the street, a beautiful stone paved footpath welcomes you to this magnificent house with a big wraparound deck, and from the entry porch you are welcomed into an amazing open plan living space. That is a view of a modern kitchen with an island. The island is big enough to accommodate 3, ideal for a breakfast counter. The kitchen is fully equipped with apartment-styled appliances. I like the white and black theme, making it stand out from the general white painted interior. This amazing kitchen has got a beautiful ceiling with exposed corrugated container ceiling, bringing out the industrial charm of the design. The building is equally modern with feature walls like this one painted black. This is a closer view of the under counter and overhead storage cabinetry. This is a view of the kitchen showing the task lighting above the breakfast counter. This is the general view of the lounge area, big enough to accommodate a big sitting space, and with this beautiful feature wall and the flat screen mounted on the wall. This is the general layout of the lounge area, showing a well-lit indoor lounge space ideal for entertaining. The lounge area without furnishing. The lounge area towards the central lobby section. The overall layout of the living space. That's the kitchen in the background and the open plan area for the dining and the lounge area. The closet space for a laundry closet with a washer and a dryer plus additional storage. This is a view of one of the bedrooms in the house. A big setup with a closet space. This is a view of one of the bathrooms. Beautiful bathtub shower area. That is the general view of the wash and basin with a nice bathroom mirror. A view of another bedroom space. The same space from another angle. Beautiful indoor living area. This is a view of a furnished bedroom space. You'll appreciate the use of white on the walls and the ceiling, and a drop of black to bring out some contrast against the white dominated interior space. The big glass windows enhance daylighting and cross ventilation. The general view of the same bedroom from another angle. This is a view of the master bathroom, the dual sinks, the dual bathroom mirrors, the big counter space, the walk-in closet towards the end. Look at that shower stall with glass and well-tiled floor-to-ceiling bathroom wall. A big closet space for your linen and storage. This is the general view of the wraparound deck around the house. Beautiful outdoor space, welcoming. You'll appreciate the exterior finishes, retaining the industrial corrugated container walls vis-a-vis these timber siding that has been polished and varnished, standing out to create a warm and modern exterior finish. Generally, the house stands out from the neighborhood, making it some nice eye candy in the neighborhood. You will appreciate the use of black as an exterior finish, making the house look sleek and stunning. So what do you like about this amazing container home? This is a new house built in the year 2024. Give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you've been wondering how you can build your own shipping container home, worry not. We have done the heavy lifting for you by putting together one of the best and comprehensive building guides for shipping container homes on the market. This comprehensive book contains more than 300 pages of hands-on advice, real-life examples, and step-by-step building instructions designed to take you from dream to reality. Inside this book, you'll find 14 detailed chapters. They cover everything from understanding what shipping containers are. You will learn about sourcing and buying of shipping containers. Inside there, you'll also find out planning, budgeting, and costing for your shipping container house. This guide goes ahead to tell you more about site preparation and the best foundation to use for your shipping container project. In addition, the most critical part of shipping container architecture, which is ventilation, insulation, and condensation, are the most detailed chapters in the book. You'll also have information on electrical and mechanical systems. There's a detailed coverage of interior and exterior finishes. Inside the book, you'll find a free bonus. We have given you a floor plan of our most popular design. In addition, you'll find a real case study of a shipping container getaway in the Caribbean. This guidebook is packed with full color images and illustrations, making every step clear, visual, and easy to follow, even if you are new to construction. This is the most detailed building guide on shipping container architecture you'll find on the market today. Feel free to download 2 free chapters of the book using the link below. If you enjoy the 2 chapters, go ahead and purchase the book using the links in the description below. The book comes as a paperback. There's an ebook and also an audio version of the same. If you like it, give us a positive review and recommend it to other readers. Enjoy the reading, enjoy the building.